we have given that line K bisects the segment. It means that our segment is divided to two equal segments. So we can write now that segment AB is congruent to segment BC. It means that the length of AB is equal to length of BC. So we have to find length of AB, and we have given that length of AC is 21 centimeters. We can write equation. We have segment AC, and this segment we can rewrite that this is equal to sum of these two segments. So we have length of AB plus BC. What else we know? We know that AB is equal BC. So we can substitute BC by AB. Why I substitute BC by AB? Because we have to find AB. So we don't need in this equation BC. So we have AC is equal AB, I copy, and this BC I substitute by AB, because this line divides this segment to two equal segments. So we have now that AC is equal to AB. We have given that AC is equal 21. So I will substitute AC by 21. This is equal to 2 times AB. Because I need to find AB, now I will divide both sides by 2. Because we have multiplication here, 2 and 2 we can reduce, and we have that AB is equal 21 divided by 2, so this is equal 10 and 1/2. And we have to add the units, centimeter. So this is my solution.